How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply cut solids in FreeCAD. So let's navigate through part design. Let's create our own sketch right here really simply. And then right after, let's now go ahead and click on path, and let's just extend this into something like 50 millimeters. So from there, you then want to navigate through part. And then you want to select the create primitives option, and then let's go ahead and click on the plane right here. And then in my case, I'm just going to be extending this into something like 30 mm. Let's go ahead and click on create. And now we have created ourselves a plane right here. Right after creating the plane, you could just right click on it, click transform, and you could just put it on the part where you want to make the cut itself. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Right after, let's then go ahead and select our plane and our pad right here, or our cube. Click on part, and now you want to use the split option, split apart, and then basically from there you should be good to go. And also, before you do it, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have selected the body first and then the plane. So in that way, it will actually save the body. And now let's go ahead and click on our slice one. Right click on it, click on the transform, and from here we have separated them together. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.